Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. I want to walk you through a brand new Harris pontoon that we got in here today. This is a Sunliner model. This is a 230, so 23 feet in length. Want to walk you up and down it and then get on the interior, but right now you can see it's got a nice white on the side with a nice black accent. Really pops out there. Really good looking pontoon. Like I said, Sunliner 230. So we come to the transom. You see we got the Mercury 4-stroke. It's a 200 horsepower engine. Plenty of power to get back on tubes or water skiing. Anything you want to do with the family. We got the ski tow bar up there. Stainless steel prop. So great engine for this 23 footer. Let's go to the interior, take a look at the other options. All right, welcome to the interior of this 230 Sunliner. So we'll start here at the bow. With 23 footer, you get plenty of space up in the bow. Underneath each of these seats, we do have storage. So pretty easy with a little tab right here, just pull it up. It is on hinges. All of them are on hinges, so you don't have to take a seat back and throw it somewhere else. On both sides, we have cup holders recessed on the interior there with USB ports. So it's kind of nice to have those USBs to plug in your phones. In the floor, we have some nice storage. We got the sea deck up on top. Nice and deep, you can store pretty much anything you'd like down in there. As you can see, we do have the lighting package, so there's LED lighting throughout the boat, underneath in the cup holders, and that can all change to different types of colors as well. As far as the layout goes, they call this a CWDH, so center walk-through with dual helm seats. And in these dual helm seats, we did get the ones with the higher backs on them. They both have nice armrests that go, and then you can tilt both, and they both spin. You can spin them around, super comfortable. And then here at the helm, we do have the JL Audio upgraded stereo. We've got another phone charger right up in there, and then we did do the Simrad system in here. So touch screen, you've got different lakes, so you can see your depths. You can see information about the engine on the Simrad as well. As we come towards the back, like I said, CWDH, so center walk through, you got seating here, and then you get seating in the back as well. Again, storage underneath all of these seats right here, easy to pull up, very comfortable when you're sitting back here. I'll point up to the bimini here. This is a 12-foot bimini. It is blacked out because the rest of the boat did get a blacked out version, so it looks really cool when you put that out. It's a 12-footer, like I said. And then we do have a door that opens and closes right here. And then as you come to the back even more, as you're hanging out, swimming, all that, you've got plenty of space. We got a ladder on this side, and there are speakers back here with a couple cup holders as well. So again, Harris 230 Sunliner. This is here at our Rogers location. If you want to come take a look at this boat, give us a call to set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We're right here off of County Road 81 in Rogers, Minnesota. We'd love to see you out here.